Hi, it's me, Hafiz. I am from Libya. This is my first time to come to the alien city to visit this company. I've seen the production line, I've seen the warehouse, I've seen their technicians, and seen their company. They are well equipped company, and they are ready to receive any order from any country around the world. They are using very high quality materials. I ordered about a container, and then I'm going to order again and again in the future. I trust this company very much. I'm so happy that I met these people. They are very warm people. I must say, I met Roger, John, Amy. They are very nice people. I'm really happy that I'm here around them here today. I've seen all the things. They are working very hard every day, 24/7. They are ready to answer your questions. Trust them. They are very good people. They will do whatever you want.